From artificial intelligence to electric vehicle batteries and automotive software, Chinese technology is becoming increasingly embedded in the businesses of some of the world's biggest companies, CNBC said in a recent report. China's technological rise is shifting from low-cost manufacturing to scale, supply chain depth, and speed of innovation. Driven by these advantages, Chinese companies are becoming sources of technology and innovation that global businesses cannot easily sidestep. In electric vehicle batteries, the structural shift is already complete. Companies including CATL and BYD have built strong positions in the global market, providing advanced battery technologies and supporting the global transition to electric mobility. The trend is also beginning to play out in artificial intelligence, where increasingly capable Chinese models are challenging the idea that companies turn to Chinese technology mainly because it is cheaper. The decision is performance-led and compliance-gated. From EVs and batteries to AI and electronics manufacturing, China's technology is reshaping global supply chains and innovation flows.